Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya digital learning class. So how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. As before going to the topic, I want to say you some of exercise. Be ready students. Everyone sit in your place. Everyone sit in your place. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Okay children. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay children. We should learn good habit. As what is that today good habit? Why should we say thank you? Why should we say thank you? Tell me. Yes, we always say thank you because we want to the other person to know the value what they have did for us. Understood? Understood children? And maybe encourage them to help again in the future. Yes, you should encourage them to help us again in the future. Understood children? That's why always you should say thank you. Thank you. Thank you means what? Thank you. It is a simple sign of respect. Understood children? It is a simple sign of respect. Thank you. That's why anyone help you, anyone helping you, what you have to say? You should say thank you. Any help anyone did, what you have to say? You should say thank you. Should learn this. If you take help and you should not say thank you, that is not good. Understood? That's why you should say thank you to everyone. Understood children? Learn this. Okay. Children, last previous class what you learned? Subtraction problems. Yes, how to do subtraction in the 4-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers. Yes. Today, word problems. Yes, chapter number 5, subtraction. See, word problems. When you are doing word problems, you should know the keywords of the word problems. Yes, keywords. Already you know addition keywords. Subtraction keywords also is there. Okay, you should learn that children. Okay, I will say you now. Again, you should know the steps. How to do the sum. You should know the steps. If you know the steps, you can do word problems easily. Understood? You should learn compulsory. What you have to learn first? Keywords and steps. Understood? How to do the word problems. That steps you should know. Again, you should know the keywords. Learn that. When we are doing subtraction word problem, you should know the keywords. As children, see, keywords, subtraction keywords. How much left? Find the other. Which is lesser? How much more? Find the difference. Remain. Minus. More than. Fewer than. Less. Take away. Decrease by. How many more? ER types words like faster, larger, shorter, slower, higher. See, again I will read subtraction keywords. How much left? Find the other. Which is lesser? How much more? Find the difference. Remain, minus, more than, fewer than, less, take away, decreased by, how many more. ER type words like faster, larger, shorter, slower, higher. Step 1. Read and understand what do I need to find out. Step 2. Find the information given in the problem. Step 3. Decide the operation to be used. Step 4. Finally, solve the problem. Understood, children? First step, what is that? Read and understand. What do I need to find out? Step 2. Find the information given in the problem. Step 3. Decide the operation be used. Step 4. Finally, solve the problem. Understood, children? These all you should keep it in the mind. See, keywords of the subtraction. Already you know addition keywords. Now subtraction keywords. Understood? When you are doing word problem, you should follow these steps first. Understood? First read and understand what do I need to find out. Again, step 2, find the information given in the problem. Step 3, decide the operation to be used. Step 4, finally solve the problem. Understood, children? See, children, applications. See, example 9. Sonu brought 375 marbles. He gave 135 marbles to his brother. How many marbles are left with him? See, example 9. Sonu bought 375 marbles. He gave 135 marbles to his brother. How many marbles are left with him? See here, first read the question properly and understand that question. Sonu bought 375 marbles. He gave 135 marbles to his brother. How many marbles are left with him? See, already I told you, keywords, left. S, left with him. This is subtraction. S left means what? Subtraction. First of all, you should write the solution. Okay. Number of, first, what is the total number of? How many total number of marbles? Total number of marbles. How many? Sonu bought. Total number of marbles 375. He bought how many? 375 marbles he bought. Yes. How many marbles he gave to his brother? Number of marbles give to Sonu's brother. How many she gave? Sorry, he gave 135 marbles. Yes. Next, number of marbles left with him. See, number of Sonu is a boy here, understood? Not girl. Number of marbles left with him. How many? You should minus 375 minus 135. Yes. You will get, which number will get? See once. Ones, tens, hundreds. Yes. 375 minus 135. 5 minus 5, 0. In the 7, 3 should minus. 3 after up to 7 should count. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. Here 3, here 1. In the 3, 1 should minus. Yes, 1 after up to 3 count. 1 after 2, 3. How many fingers came? 2. That 2 you should write here. What is that answer? 240 is the answer. Therefore, 240 marbles are left with Sonu. Yes. How many marbles left with Sonu? 240 marbles left with Sonu. You should copy in the classwork. Understood? Copy in the classwork, children. Listen. Example 11. Mohan's uncle stays 8,630 meters away from Mohan's house. Mohan travelled 6,212 meters of the distance. What is the distance yet to be covered by Mohan to reach his uncle's house? Understood, children? See, first you should read the question properly and understand that. After that, what is that? That is addition or subtraction word problem you should think. Understood? Mohan's uncle stay 8,630 meters away from the Mohan's house. Mohan travelled 6,212 meters of the distance. What is the distance yet to be covered by Mohan to reach his uncle's house? Okay. See. First of all, you should write the question as Mohan's uncle stays 8,630. M means what? Meter. Away from Mohan's house. Mohan travelled 6,212 meters of the distance. What is the distance yet to be covered by Mohan to reach his uncle's house? Solution. See, distance between Mohan's house and uncle's house. S. Distance between Mohan's house and his uncle's house. How much? 8,630 meters. Yes. Again, distance traveled by Mohan is equal to 6,212 meters. Remaining distance Mohan has to travel. Remaining distance Mohan has to travel is equal to 8,630 minus 6,212. As what you have to do? You should do subtraction. Yes. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 8,630 minus 6,212. Yes. Now, in the 0, 2 will go. No, you should take borrow from here. 10. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2. 2 after up to 10 you should count. 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers came? 8 fingers. That 8 you should write here. In the 2, 1 should cancel. 1. In the 6, 2 should cancel. 2 after, up to 6 you should count. 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. Here 6, here 8. 6 after, up to 8 you should count. 6 after, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 2. That 2 you should write here. What is that answer? 2418 is the answer. Therefore, Mohan has to travel 2418 meters more reach his uncle's house. Understood, children? Write in the classwork.